morning friends, my name is Sandeep from third year, Triple E. Today we're going to discuss about difference between perfect competition and monopolistic competition. What is perfect competition? Perfect competition is a describes a market structure whose assumptions are strong and therefore unlikely to exist most real-world markets. We can, however, take some useful insights from studying world from perfect competition and the comparing concentration with the real world. Imperfectly competition markets are industries economists have become more interested in pure competition because of the rapid growth of economics as means by buying selling goods and service, and also the popularity of online questions as a device for allocating and care resource. Monoplastic competition is form of imperfect competition. It can be found real world markets ranging from clusters and sandwich bars, other fast food shops and coffee stores is buying town center to pizza delivery business in city or hairdresser in local area. Monopolistic competitions is similar perfect competitions. Some economists regarding this more realistic because the production are differentiated. Difference between them: monopolistic and perfect competition. Extremely market situations where there are one seller has one competition and so control supply and the price, and fair directed competition between there is one seller and buying sellers, and finally between buyers and sellers. One monopoly, one only one seller practically and buyers depends him, hence he has control over the market. Large number of buyers and sellers, hence no sellers or buyers can alter the price in the market. Supply from only one seller, hence the absolute control over the supply. Supply comes from large number of sellers. Demand in classic demand curve slope and downwards. Demand is perfectly elastic and demand curve is horizontal straight line. Product and homogeneous product. Non nature of competition, no complicate at all, no price production competition, pure and perfect competition in price higher than all competition price. P is greater than MRC and MC. Normal price P is equal to MR and MC. Output, small output fixed by the slow seller, large output fixed by MR is equal to MC. Profit exists, profit mono again. Normal profit realized by competition. Application, purely monopoly is rare, but element of monopoly are the there in market. Quite unreal. Thank you.